Happy Sunday. So we are back at CVS today for another week of couponing deals, and today is the start of a brand new 2-week sales ad. So that's really exciting. It's Easter today, the day that I'm filming, but the ad doesn't include Easter stuff. That was last week, so this should be a full 2-week ad that's good all the way through April 18th. And I did see that it was not just a fluke last Sunday. We did get more personalized CRTs again this Sunday. And something else I noticed that I wanted to let you guys know about is that if you clip your CRT, it extends a full week plus a day. So all the ones that I clipped last Sunday extended through today, this Sunday, when normally CRTs expire, like they start on Sunday and they expire on Saturday. So that means that we have stacking CRTs. Like for example, I know I got a $2 off CVS oral care CRT last Sunday, and now it's expiring today on the next Sunday, and I got a second one. So that's really exciting because it results in us being able to stack $1 off CRTs that we get 2 weeks in a row, and we can stack percent off CRTs. Like for example, I got a 30% off L'Oreal facial care CRT last week and another one this week. So look out for that. It kind of seems like CVS is like more personalized than ever when it comes to CRTs this time around. For example, like last week I purchased like Lumify eye drops just because I needed them. There wasn't even a deal. And this week I got a $5 off Lumify eye CRT. So if you do want CRTs for something, maybe pick it up so that you start getting CRTs, because it seems like they're giving really, really personalized CRTs. Everyone has different ones, it seems like, and different dollar values and dollar amounts. And it seems like they're using a different strategy this time around compared to a couple years ago with the personalized CRTs. Let me know what you got this week, what your favorite CRTs are that you got this week that you're going to pair with this week's deals. And with all that being said, let's get into the deals this week. L'Oreal facial care is buy one and you get back a $5 extra buck this week. So you could grab something that's priced right above $25, like this Revitalift serum at $27.39, using a 5 off 25 L'Oreal facial care CRT and a $5 digital coupon. That would leave you to pay $17.39, getting back the $5 extra buck. But if you're like me and you also have two 30% off L'Oreal facial care CRTs, you can use both of those. The first one's going to take off 30% off of the $17.39, and that would result in $12.17, and the second 30% off CRT would take off 30% off of that. So you'd end up paying just $8.52, earning back your $5 extra buck. Would make this $27 serum just $3.52. Again, whenever you're using percent off CRTs, do not use extra bucks to pay, because the extra bucks apply first and then the percent off CRTs apply off the remaining balance. The 25 count Neutrogena makeup remover wipes are buy two, get back a $6 extra buck at $6.99 at my store. So grabbing two, you can use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you'd pay $9.98, get back that $6 extra buck. And that would make 2 packs just $3.98 or $1.99 each. And check if you have any additional CRTs, because I did see that some people do. Soft soap and Irish Spring body wash are 2 for $10 and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So grabbing one soft soap and one Irish Spring, totaling $10. We have a $1 digital coupon. And I also had a $1 CRT for soft soap body wash and 2 separate CRTs for Irish Spring, one for $1 and one for $2. So with all those coupons, I should be left to pay $5. Getting back my $3 extra buck would make my final cost just $2 for 2 bottles of body wash, or $1 each. Nivea Lotion are buy two, get back a $7 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of the smaller bottles at $6.79. 2 would total $13.58 and use a $3 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $10.58. Getting back the $7 extra buck would make 2 bottles just $3.58. Garnier Fructis are on sale for 2 for $8 and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So grabbing 2 and using a 3 off 2 digital coupon, you'd pay $5. Get back that $3 in extra bucks would make your final cost just $2 for 2, or $1 each. Coppertone Sunscreen are buy one, get back a $5 extra buck. If your store carries the single count of the lip balms, they're $5.99 and they do work for the buy one, get back a $5 extra buck. So that would make that just 99 cents, but my store does not carry them. So instead, I'm going to grab one of the spray sunscreens at $11.99. And I have 2 different CRTs for $3 off Coppertone Sun. And I did see there was a hang tag for $2 off. My store had one that was expired at the end of 2025, but I do know that some stores have new ones. Check out the seasonal aisle for the sunscreen for summer and see if you can find a $2 hang tag. I'm going to be left to pay $5.99 with my 2 $3 CRTs, getting back the $5 extra buck. That would make one of these just 99 cents. That's an amazing deal. Gillette and Venus disposable razors are buy one get one 50% off and buy two get back a $4 extra buck. So I'm grabbing one of the Gillette Sensor 3, they're $8.59, so that would be the 50% off one, and one of the Venus at $10.29, totaling $14.58. I have a 4 off 10 Venus disposable razor CRT and a $3 digital coupon for Venus, as well as a $3 digital coupon for the Gillette men's disposables. So I should be left to pay $4.58, earning back the $4 extra buck, makes both packs of razors just 58 cents. Instead of the razors, you can also grab the Gillette Foamy Shave Cream. My store is sold out, but they're $3.79. Again, buy one, get one 50% off, so two would total $5.68. You'd pay that, earn back your $4 extra buck for buying two, would make your final cost for both shave creams just $1.68. Along with the lotion, the Nivea men's shave creams are also buy two, get back a $7 extra buck. So you can grab two at $6.49 each, totaling $12.98, and use a 2 off 8 Nivea men's shave cream CRT. You pay $10.98, earn back the $7 extra buck, would make two of them just $3.98 or $1.99 each. The Crest toothpaste as well as Oral-B toothbrushes are $3.99 each on sale. Buy three, get back a $5 extra buck. So grab three, totaling $11.97, and use a 2 off 10 Crest CRT. My account got that this week, and we also have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $4.97, earning back the $5 extra buck, would make all three completely free. The Colgate toothpaste along with the Colgate mouthwashes are on sale for $4.99 each and spend $15, get back a $7 extra buck. So grab two toothpaste and two mouthwashes totaling $19.96, and you can use a 3 off 10 Colgate CRT as well as a 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste and a 4 off 2 for the mouthwash. You'd be left to pay $8.96, earning back the $7 extra buck for spending $15 before coupons, would make your final cost $1.96 for all four products. CVS Oral Care is buy one, get one 50% off this week, so I'm grabbing this single toothbrush at $1.99 that'll be 50% off, and this 3-pack at $3.59, totaling $4.58, and I have two separate $2 off CVS Oral Care CRTs, so that would make both packs of toothbrushes just 58 cents. Axe deodorant and body sprays are buy one, get one 50% off and buy two, get back a $4 extra buck. So I'm grabbing two of the deodorants at $6.99, totaling $10.48. And I have a $1 deodorant CRT as well as a 5 off 2 digital coupon for the Axe deodorants. So I should be left to pay $4.48, earning back the $4 extra buck, makes two Axe deodorants just 48 cents. You guys, I am loving these CRTs. It's making our deals so much better than normal. Neutrogena Cosmetics are spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck, so I'm grabbing two of the 21 count wipes in the makeup section at $6.59 each, totaling $13.18, and I do have a $1 CRT for Neutrogena makeup and a $3 digital coupon. So with those, I should be left to pay $9.18. Getting back the $5 extra buck is going to make two packs of wipes just $4.18 or $2.09 each. The 11 count finish tabs are buy one, get one free, and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So grabbing two, totaling $9.99. We have a $3 digital coupon. So you'd be left to pay $6.99. Getting back the $3 extra buck makes two packs $3.99. Another way that you can do the deal is on the big packs of Lysol wipes. The cheapest ones at my store are the dual action at $10.99. So buy one, get one free. Two of them would be $10.99, and we do have a $1 digital coupon. So you'd pay $9.99, get back the $3 extra buck, making two big canisters just $6.99. Gain products, the big packs are $9.99 each on sale, and spend $30, get back a $10 extra buck. So grabbing one of the detergent, one of the Gain Flings, and one of the scent beads, totaling $29.97. We do have a $2 digital for the Gain liquid, a $2 for the pods, and a $2 for the flings, or for the scent beads, I mean. We have $2 digitals for like almost every single big Gain product. So you'd be left to pay $23.97, earning back the $10 extra buck, would make all three big Gain products just $13.97. In my first transaction, I did the Irish Spring and Soft Soap and the Axe deal. All my coupons came off that I listed, and I used $9 and extra bucks to pay, and then got back my $7 and extra bucks for the body wash and the Axe deal, making my net cost just $2. And then for my final transaction, I did the Oral-B and Crest deal. I did the CVS toothbrushes, the disposable razors, Gillette and Venus, and the Coppertone deal. And I used a total of $15 between extra bucks and cash. And then I earned back $14 in extra bucks between the Oral-B and Crest deal, the Gillette and Venus deal, and the Coppertone deal. So my net cost for this transaction was just $1. I am so excited over these new CRTs at CVS. Again, let me know what CRTs you got and which ones you're using in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think about what you've been getting. Do you feel like they're very personalized? Have you also been seeing that they're extending past the 1 week expiration date by a day so we can stack them on one extra day and have 2 weeks worth of CRTs available to stack together? It's super exciting. Let me know what you're picking up this week in the comment section down below, and I will catch you guys next week for week 2 of this ad.